The Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area has been stepping up its efforts to develop its high-tech sector. Official data shows from 2019 to last year, the number of high-tech companies in the area has increased from around 48,000 to 56,000, with over 50 of them being the so-called unicorn companies, those valued at more than $1 billion. Bones Technology is an orthopedic medical device company founded in Hong Kong and has moved its headquarters to Shenzhen. What kinds of supports have you received from the Greater Bay Area, especially during your initial stage of your startup?
And for us, I think the most important things is to give the insights of the founders and how to translate the research outputs to the real product in the clinical. The Hong Kong Science Park give us a lot of support to educate us how to build the market and product fit. In Shenzhen Qianhai, we also have a lot of, like the financial support for the rental allowance, like we enjoy a 40% discount from the rent.
During the company's initial fundraising period, platforms for startup owners and investors in the region also gave it great support.
Like our early investor, Hong Kong X, they give us a lot of talks and build a community, which is the most important for us because a lot of young entrepreneurs, also the young startup founders are also join the community, and we can share our experience, like the story, the difficulties we met when we dealt with the fundraising with the investors.
Innovation capabilities in the Greater Bay Area have consistently topped the rankings in the country for 5 consecutive years. The Greater Bay Area has also been trying to attract more young talents to boost its high-tech sector. It is encouraging universities across the region to provide more courses and urging the younger generation to work and live across different cities in the region. Entrepreneurs are hopeful that besides the broad environment support, more targeted benefits will be provided to retain talents.
I think providing convenient services such as housing, food, and transportation, and space that can link young entrepreneurs would be a big help to startups. It can also enable young entrepreneurs to spend more time on their products, technologies, and businesses.
We hope that the Greater Bay Area can come up with more policies for experienced experts, reducing the restrictions on the movements of talented individuals. We hope this way can encourage people to participate in the technological development in different regions, and at the same time have the opportunity to explore more employment opportunities provided by the Greater Bay Area.
In the next stage, the 14th Five-Year Plan for the Guangdong province says steps will be promulgated to strengthen cooperation in the Greater Bay Area, such as startup incubation programs and turning scientific research into products. Zhuzhu, CGTN, Shenzhen in Guangdong province.